Hey guys, it's Dr. Big Dub coming at you from his office at home because of the COVID-19 virus. I know we're on lockdown. I know everybody's going a little bit stir crazy. I know for sure I am. I just wanted to kind of get in touch with you, throw this out there for you so you can see the face. I know I'm beautiful and y'all kind of missed that a little bit. But got a couple things planned for you guys tomorrow. Those of you that can attend the Zoom meetings, please just log on when it's time. If the meeting time does not work for you, then feel free to watch the recorded version and know that we wish you were there. A couple things that are just going to happen is the fact that we're going to just discuss a few things face to face, kind of get a few things out there as far as the AP exam, what I know, what I don't know, and stuff like that. So just know that everybody's kind of going through the same thing right now. Still down on lockdown, not being able to get out. I do miss you guys. I wish that we were in class together and that we were going over stuff and that it was a normal year. For my seniors, I ask that you guys hang in there. I know this is not the senior year you expected or even want. But, you know, we're here for you. And, you know, if you just need to get in touch and vent, that's what the Remind is for. Hopefully, we can use things such as the podcasting, which I'm working on a couple episodes now for APUSH. And I'll be working on a couple for AP Government. Had one recorded the other day. It was a great 25-minute segment. And then the internet went out at home and I lost everything. So, hey, look, even the teachers are having problems with technology. Again, miss you guys. This is just kind of a remind, throwing it out there for you of everything and what all is going on. I look forward to talking to you guys tomorrow. And if this video works, I may do a couple things like this from time to time and throw it out there. Good luck, and I'll see most of you tomorrow, hopefully. If you need anything, if you got specific questions that you want me to cover tomorrow, you want to give me a heads up, I'll be glad to look at that. Just shoot it to me on Remind or an email, whatever you have. Peace out, and know that Big Dub is thinking of you guys, and that all your teachers are working hard to make sure that this is as easy and seamless as possible, and that we're trying to do the best that we can to get you ready where you need to be ready. Love you guys.